ついに我の最終防衛ラインの出番だな。おお、魔王ルミナスよ。どうだ、今度はちゃんと覚えておったぞ、魔王ルミナスよ。こ
のクソトカゲが毎回わらわの邪魔をしよって。させてもらうぞ。
Did you know? Veldora Tempest struggles with suppressing his immense magicules due to his extraordinary power. This constant suppression is exhausting for him and poses a significant challenge. If Veldora were unable to suppress his aura and accidentally released it on Tempest, the consequences would be catastrophic. His immense power would have dire effects on the surroundings, turning the area into a land of death. This uncontrolled release of magicules could lead to the spawning of numerous dangerous monsters, potentially even at the level of a Calamity-class threat like Charybdis. The death toll among weaker beings, including many citizens of Tempest, would be enormous, as most would not be able to withstand the intensity of Veldora's aura. However, thanks to Lumina's Embrace Drain technique to help Veldora release his excess magicules, allowing him to return to normal. This technique involved Lumina's draining Veldora's magicules while causing him pain, which also served as a form of revenge for Lumina's.
Veldora, the Storm Dragon, born as the incarnation of chaos with control over wind, water, and space. After being released from Rimuru's stomach, Veldora was given a body double as a vessel, which he reshaped to his liking. Veldora is loud, excitable, and easygoing. He's energetic, prideful, and loves showing off his strength. Despite his childish side, he's knowledgeable and driven by curiosity. Veldora's ultimate skill, Nyarlathotep, Lord of Chaos, have a skill called Probability Manipulation. Allows the user to control the probability of any outcome. It ensures the desired result with precision. Against equally strong opponents, it only doubles the odds of a specific outcome. Veldora can wield true dragon magic and his own Veldora-style killing arts. Veldora's powerful technique, the Fertile Paradox, unleashes a rainbow-colored darkness that rapidly spreads, healing and transforming everything it touches. The once magicule-contaminated barren lands turn into a lush, green landscape like the Great Jura Forest. He is the fourth true dragon among his siblings.
Oi.